Looks like it's going to be another gorgeous day. Not too many folks out now, but if you can get out and enjoy this day, you should, because changes are coming. What's it looking like as we get into the work week, Jeff?
Well, I want to show you this. Let's start about today. And today is about the wind advisory that is out. We expect winds steady out of the south, 20 to 30 miles an hour, and sometimes gusting up to 45. That's why you see almost all of North Texas under a wind advisory. It starts at 9 o'clock this morning and goes all the way into the midnight hours. We look down to the Main Street Art Festival. You can see that no crowd yet, but as the crowd comes in, they'll have to deal with these strong winds, and so will the vendors there. Temperatures, meanwhile, will be into the upper 80s, so dress accordingly. It's going to be a warm early summer day, especially with these strong south winds making it feel even warmer than that, believe it or not. But that's the dry line, and that's the difference between very moist air that's coming in through the course of the day, which actually alleviates the fire risk a little bit. But on the other side of the dry line, it's extremely dry air. Relative humidity will get down to 10% or less. And that very dry air does not help the firefighting, and it looks like it's going to be another rough day out in our western counties with elevated fire danger out there. There is a chance for a little bit of rain here and there. Because of the cap, these storms will not get going. There'll just be a few showers. We'll cross to the afternoon with about a 10-20% chance. That's about it. But as we get into the overnight hours, we just got the clouds. That's another thing about today, by the way. We'll have some cloud cover through the course of the afternoon, but the wind is the big story with these gusts over 40 miles an hour. Now, we've been talking the last couple of days about a severe weather risk. It really starts showing up tomorrow and peaks on Tuesday. Tuesday is the day of the biggest concern right now, but every day has got a chance of thunderstorms starting tomorrow 30%, then Tuesday will go to 50%, and there's a chance of thunderstorms on Wednesday as well. But look at these temperatures. We're at 90 tomorrow. All right, here's the severe weather threat from the Storm Prediction Center for tomorrow. Honestly, I think it overplays it a little bit, but there's that slight risk, including the Metroplex and everything off to the east. I think the cap is really too strong for it to play out where it's that much coverage, but this is Tuesday, and already we are under an enhanced risk, Category 3 for Tuesday, and you can see that is square right over the Metroplex and off to the north. And this is Wednesday, and you can see how the severe weather threat is already in play for Wednesday, but it is in our eastern counties on Wednesday. Futurecast we go. The severe weather risk for Monday, I think, looks more like this. It is in our northeast corner. There's actually going to be a low up in Oklahoma to help fire up these thunderstorms and break the cap. So I believe the severe weather risk is really from Collin County, McKinney, up and towards Paris. As we get into the evening hours, outflow boundaries could get some thunderstorms going. We'll have to watch our eastern counties through the evening hours. These could be powerful storms with large hail and damaging winds. But Tuesday we're going to have the dry line come in, and this is at the end of the day strong thunderstorms that move right across most of North Texas. These thunderstorms will be out as we get into the overnight hours, but Tuesday has the highest risk of severe weather for the Metroplex, and we're talking about large hail and even isolated tornadoes as the major threat. With these thunderstorms, we're expecting widespread on Tuesday. You can see what happens on Wednesday. We've got the cold front coming through, so that front will create some strong thunderstorms, but they'll probably be in our eastern counties. That leaves us, and then we get into some slightly cooler weather by Thursday, slightly cooler in the 70s, still above normal, but then back to 80s.